would be from Titan. It's sort of like a mushroom.
I really like the Astronauts Kids Space Club because it's really interesting to learn lots of new things. Brett and Ray have thought out pretty much everything that would be in an actual spaceship. Like, there's a gecko and a bunch of fish over there. There's actual bunk beds. The light systems work. There's like fire extinguishers with labels on them, like hydrogen, oxygen, CO2.
The Brett and Ray Jesse is talking about is a father and son team from Newmarket who founded the Astronuts Kids Space Club together in the basement of their own home.
There you go. That is awesome. A Hubble telescope kit.
Club got started about in May 2010. My son had a real keen curiosity about space, and we were talking about it, and we built a little spaceship under the rec room stairs. And I started to think his friends were coming over and playing that area. We needed more room. So we built cardboard boxes around it. We called it Spaceship Mercury 1, and we formed a space club. The program is about bringing elementary school kids together to learn about everything space. We meet once a month in our Spaceship Mercury 2 here in Newmarket, and we have a Skype guest. They're all volunteers, space educators, and we learn about rocketry, we learn about astronomy, we learn about technology, science, everything to do with space in a fun atmosphere.
We also have lots of feathers, lots of spongy planets.
These kids are from all kinds of diverse backgrounds, all kinds of activity levels, but somehow inside of them all they're explorers. They really want to learn about space. It's fascinating for them. Since they've been little children, they've gone out and looked at the stars and they've wondered things. So this is a place they can come to and experiment and learn from wonderful educators about everything space. I want them to create friendships, which is really important as they're growing in elementary levels. Social skills are important, so here they interact in something that they really, really love, but there's no need for a competition like you'd have on a sports team. There's teamwork, which is very important, leadership, and friendship creation. But also, if some of them somewhere down the road use this, what they've learned about space, and they can write a book about something like that, or become an astronaut someday, or do something in the science field, or create things that help the world down the road, and it all came from this little spaceship down here in our basement, and that's magic. That's mission accomplished for us.
This is a random alien thingamajig that I built, made.
Ray's son Brett is still an active member of the club and says his favorite part of the program is that spaceship in his basement.
It's pretty awesome because you can do a lot of things in there, like have space missions, like fake ones that you can bring in, like a flight simulator program on the computers in there, all that sort of stuff you can pretend.
So there we go. I've got my first one.
As for Jessie, she has a message for anyone who wants to be a part of this rather unique club.
If there's an opportunity that I'd recommend that other people come to this club. If they're too far away, or if this club is at maximum capacity, then, well, I think it would be a good idea for some people to start your own Astronauts Kids Space Club if you want to.
I'm Michael Donnelly with your Community Connection.
3, 2, 1, cheese!